The A80 model truly redefined Toyota's performance image.
The rust suggests it's been exposed for decades. This old Supra, it was once the fastest car on these roads. My husband loved it dearly. We called her the Moss Runner.
See, this section here is mostly surface rust. We can treat this effectively.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
We'll make sure it runs like new.
So, we agree on the price.
Yes, I think that's fair.
Excellent. We'll start the paperwork immediately.
We think 10,000 is fair for the Supra.
I was hoping for 15. It's a classic model.
It needs extensive restoration, though. It's a pleasure doing business with you. The Supra is ours.
It will be a stunning build.
Absolutely. Here is the remaining balance.
Thank you very much. The ownership transfer is complete. She's all yours now.
We're excited to get started on the restoration.
Thank you.
It's gonna be epic.
Everything is in order.
We'll take good care of it.
Thank you.
All right, easy now. Keep the tension steady on the left side.
Looking good. The winch is pulling smoothly.
Clearance is tight here, but we're almost up the ramp.
Okay, lady.
All right, ladies, easy now. Once she's secure, we can finally hit the road. It's a long drive to the coast.
All right, steady now. Coming up slowly. Left side secure. Tension is good. Clear at the rear. Keep it coming.
All right, team. That's the last we'll see of her.
Let's get back to the workshop.
Looks good back here.
How is the side skirt looking now? That's much better. The vacuum is working perfectly on this fabric.
Okay, easy now. Watch the rust.
Clear on the left.
Right side is stable. Lift slowly.
Make sure the edges are smooth before we apply the primer.
Got it. I'll double check the contour here.
All right, lift slowly. The wiring harness is still connected.
Pin is clear.
I have the weight. Bring the stand closer.
This one is free. Did you secure the tape on that end?
Yes, it's labeled, ready for the lift.
All right, let's center it on the pads. Lift.
All right, slowly into the bay. Watch the corner, steady.
I have it. Almost there. Last bolt is loose.
Okay, I have the weight stabilized.
Good. Let's take it out. Watch the rail on the left.
Clear on this side, keep going slow. Watch the rear mount. Steady now, you're clear of the door.
Got the first one loose.
Okay, I've got it stabilized.
Easy now, let's clear the rail.
Applying gentle pressure here.
Okay, I have the panel. It's separating cleanly.
Okay. The adhesive is still holding on this side.
Careful with the weight, ladies. This hood is heavier than it looks.
We're stable here, boss. Taking the strain now.
Ready for the lift when you are.
Okay, keep that path clear, ladies.
It's clear. Bring it down easy now.
Almost there, watch the edge.
Battery cable's disconnected. Watch the fluid line now.
Got the catch tray ready?
Hoist is positioned.
All right, easy now. Check the tension on the front mounts. Secured, boss.
Looks good back here too.
Okay, slowly raise the hoist. Clear on the left.
Clear on the right.
Hoist up slowly.
Bringing her down slowly. Watch the mounts.
Alignment looks perfect. Nice and steady.
It's seated.
I'll secure the bolt. That should be loose now.
All right, I have the next socket ready for you.
The clearance here on cylinder 2 is exactly 4 thousandths.
Noted. Check cylinder 3 intake next.
I think this section is done.
Yes, that looks perfect. Move to the next one.
Ensure you get full coverage in the seams there, Elena.
Almost done with this section. Looking good.
Nice and smooth now.
How's the dust looking?
Clear on this side. Very clean work.
How does that feel?
Excellent, completely flush.
Align that bushing precisely, nice and slow.
It's seated. Handing you the torque wrench.
Got it. Applying 75 pounds.
The line is secure and routed correctly.
Confirmed. Applying the final torque now. This compound is working perfectly. Look at the shine.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, the oxidation is completely gone now. Ensure the dressing is applied evenly across the grain.
Got it. These window cranks need sorting next.
I'm still seeing some texture right here under the light. Let me smooth that out.
The gaps are sitting perfectly flush now. Right here, feel that subtle rise. We need to smooth that out perfectly.
Okay, I see it.
I will use the 2000 grit softly. That's looking good. Right here needs a little more attention though. See the slight wave near the edge?
Yes, I see it. I'll take care of it.
Almost done with this section. Keep the ventilation steady.
Looks perfect, leveling out nicely.
Does the edge coverage look sufficient on this side?
Yes, that's perfect. Maintain that thickness. A minor adjustment needed on the lower edge.
Affirmative.
Applying a light mist now.
The surface is leveling nicely.
That feels incredibly smooth. The surface is absolutely perfect now.
Watch this high spot right here. Leave it. Got it. We'll feather that out before moving on. The surface is holding true. Excellent work, ladies.
Thank you. We are ready for the next stage.
The flash off looks good. What do you think about the lighting alignment?
Just a slight adjustment here, almost perfect now. The flatness is nearly perfect on this side. Maintain that slow pace around the emblem.
Will do. The dust is clearing nicely.
Okay, rotate it slowly. The guide coat looks even.
Yes, the mist is settling perfectly over the curves. That looks absolutely perfect.
Understood. We'll move to the front fender now.
Looks like we are ready for the gold. Great job on the tack-off.
All clear, boss. Looks good, team.
The prep is immaculate.
Let's get the booth ready for the gold base.
How does the metallic look from that angle? It's flawless. The flakes are really popping. Ventilation is stable.
Excellent consistency on the fenders. The depth is exactly where it should be.
The flash off looks consistent on the side panel.
Yes, the gold metallic is sparkling evenly. We should continue the slow rotation for another 5 minutes.
Clear on the hood?
Sides are clean, boss.
Okay, let's prep for the clear coat. The gloss on the roof is flawless.
Agreed. Maintaining the overlap on the hood now.
Looks deep and wet.
Check the panel gap here, Masha.
It's perfect, exactly to spec. The temperature feels good. Keep going slow. Roger that. The orange peel is almost gone. Look at that depth. Oh. Incredible gloss. Almost done with this door.
Lining up the pins now. Looks good, nice and slow.
Threading the first bolt.
Hand me the T25, please. Right here. It's sitting perfectly flush. Wiring is clear. Looks good. Tighten it down slowly.
Hold it right there, let's check the gap.
Panel gap is perfect, boss.
Applying torque now. The bolts are secure.
Check the alignment once more.
It's perfectly centered, boss.
Watch the studs as we lift.
Perfect. Now get the nuts started in the star pattern.
On it.
All right, team, let's settle it gently.
Hinge aligned.
Torque it to spec.
Mounts are secure and torqued. Harness is perfect. Ready for the hoist.
Securing the last chain now. Let's lift it slow. Gently down. Watch the manifold clearance.
Left side is clear. Steady, steady.
Right side aligned. Perfect.
Final position.
Alignment confirmed.
Secure. Nice and slow with that connector.
Got it. The clamp is secure.
Just another quarter turn here.
Is this level of detail sufficient for the hoses?
Yes, that's excellent. We are almost ready for the final inspection.
The chrome is spotless. The overall stance is exactly where we want it.
Flawless.
And the panel gaps are all within tolerance.
Excellent work, team. She's ready.
Make sure you get the edges of the spoiler too.
Yes, already on it. The paint looks incredible.
Almost done with the emblems here.
Apply even pressure with the squeegee, pushing the air out.
It's clearing nicely.
The alignment looks spot on. Proceed with the peel.
Spotless.
The trim is perfect too.
Another masterpiece completed.
The Zestino decal is perfectly placed.
And the white body fitment is spot on. Silent perfection achieved.
Ready for delivery.
Take a look at that finish. Absolutely flawless. I think we are finally ready for the reveal.
The transformation is complete. It's silent perfection.
The panel gaps are tighter than factory spec.
And the gold wheels contrast perfectly with the black accents.
The finish looks absolutely perfect. Great job on the polishing.
The clear coat on this lip is perfect now. Good.
We can reinstall the assembly once I finish cleaning the brackets.
Focus on the edge here. We want that transition from the gold to the matte black wing to be absolutely flawless.
The paint finish is exceptional.
Ready for the road test.
All those hours were worth it. The paint job is flawless.
It really is spectacular in the sunlight.